Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to allow others to invite you to their account on X. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. You'll find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile settings. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, navigate to Security and Account Access. This section allows you to manage your security and access settings. Look for the Delegate option and tap on it. This feature lets you grant certain permissions to other users. Finally, turn on the toggle switch for Allow others to invite you to their account. Once enabled, others will be able to send you invitations to join their accounts. That's it! Now you've successfully set up invitations, making it easier to collaborate and share account access. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.